everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 44 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Now let us see what today's problem is. So the problem is valid parenthesis string, which is a medium level problem and has an acceptance rate of 35%. Now let us read this problem. So the problem says that given a string which consists of only three types of character, which is a opening parenthesis, a closing parenthesis, and an asterisk. So there are a few rules to be followed in a string. So these are four rules, and the first rule says that every left parenthesis should have a right parenthesis, any right parenthesis should have a left parenthesis, and the left parenthesis should be before my right parenthesis, like in a order. Left should come first, then the right one will come. An asterisk can be treated as both an opening braces or a closing braces. Now here you can see an example as opening closing braces were present. So for the left parenthesis there was a right parenthesis, so this string is accepted and it is a valid string, so the output is true. So now let us solve this problem. Now to solve this problem we will first declare two variables which will be storing my number of opening and closing brackets. So let me give the name to be int min open and a variable max open. Int min open, which is initially 0. Now another variable max open, which is also initialized as 0. Now we will run a for loop for char c in s. First we will check if it is a opening parenthesis, c equals to this. So if it is a opening parenthesis, then we have to increment both our min open and max open. And after that we will check for the closing bracket. If it is a closing bracket, we'll add here a else if condition, and we will check if c equals to a closing bracket. A closing bracket, in that case, if my minimum number of open brackets is greater than 0, if means there is a bracket which is open, in that case I will decrement my min open and I will also decrement here my max open. Okay, now in the else condition we will check for the asterisk. Now if my min open is greater than my 0 value, then in that case what I will do, I will decrement my minimum number of open brackets plus I will increment my max open. After that, at last we will have a condition to check that if my maximum number of open brackets become less than 0, so in that case we have to return false, which means that we have more closing bracket than opening one. Okay, so if this loop runs successfully, in that case you have to return from here, return if min open is equals to 0. At last the minimum number of open brackets should be equals to 0, means we have got the pairing for every given parenthesis, for left parenthesis as well as the right parenthesis. So now let us run this code. So you can see it is accepted. Now let's just submit this. So we have successfully solved today's problem and completed 100 days of problem solving on LeetCode. And I hope this video solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. Please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.